wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jahvillani. Come back when I hit and I smashing up. Bang! I know people already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, friends, fan tag. You see what I deal with today. Yeah, Jahvillani drop a new song and a new video entitled Nudity. You already know what time it is. You don't know Jahvillani, the real talented dancehall artist, been burning up the scene, been doing this thing for a while. And we're gonna check it out and see what going on. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, I'm expecting real dope stuff from Jahvillani. We're not even gonna go hold up the track much longer. We're gonna jump right into the vibes. This is Jahvillani Nudity. Let's get it.
Country hot music.
Country. You know me represent.
Frit takers. Yeah.
For the girl in my town and country.
Me love the girl in a nudity, nudity.
Of course, if you don't like to do that, kill yourself.
Me love the girl in a nudity, nudity.
She want fuck with a real G.
Yeah, easy, mama.
Turn around and turn off the TV. So your position, so me push it in deep. Girl, your bad like Rebel and TC. Baby, your pussy cleany. Baby, your love squirt and creamy. Hey, girl, you just make man feel free. Fuck your life, me they come from GP. Girl, your body got a proper design. Why do some
Easy, mama. Girl, your body got a proper design. Easy.
look, girl, you at top of the line. She no want no fool, no a
Girl, you're top of the line. Easy, no man.
that she like. Love it when your position pan the back of the bike. If a boy violate you, kappa we fly. 15 bam down in place like a missile. Tell your body does a kick them karate style.
Easy, no man. For a boy this year, yo, Bama we fly. Be yourself.
Anything you ask for the chop.
Me just like how Jahvillani look like a star in that video. How he's grown for the past couple of years, and you know he just keep looking like a star even more and more. Look like the dog got make money. The video them turn up. The girl them in the video turn up. Them lyrics and rhymes are on point. You know what I'm saying?
We buy. Me love see you in a nudity. Nudity me a come for your two titty. Turn round girl look how your booty big. Just a mash up the place so you're too wicked.
Easy. I'm just easy. Nudity. Nudity.
Me love see you in a nudity. 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 Me love see girl in a nudity. 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 You know outdated like QBD. Girl your style official with a blue ticky. And now you alone par you.
Say you know outdated like what? Easy, no man.
No groupie chick, you a real bad girl that you choose to be. In a Dior Louis V, you a Gucci this, and your shoes them bloody.
Yeah, a real bad girl that you choose to be. In a Dior Louis V and Gucci this. Easy, no man.
Than a crucifix, rose gold and VVS jewelry. Girl you used to this, girl you no new to this. And your body got a proper design. Why do some little girl you at top of the line? She no want no fool, you a shot as she like.
Yo, girl, you are top of the line. I want. Easy now, man. Girl, you are top of the line. I want to some little girl in my back of the line. Easy, man. Yo, me don't make me leave catch up. That mad.
The line, she no want no. Why do some little girl you at top of the line? She no want no fool, you at some little girl you at to this. And your body got a proper design. Why do some little girl you at top of the line?
Girl, your body have a proper design. What do some little girl that you are top of the line? She no want a little fool. She is a shot.
She no want no fool. You a shot as she like. Love you when you
A shot as she like. I want to know.
position pan the back of the bike. If a boy violate you, kappa we fly.
Love when she position pan the back of the bike. If a boy violate you, you don't know. But we fly. I want to them. Tomorrow we fly, man.
Bam down in place like a missile. Tell you the duty I kick them karate style. Anything you ask for the chopper we buy. Me love see you in a nudity. Nudity.
Girl, the beauty I kick them like karate style. And anything you want, you know the shatter we buy. Come in, man.
You come for your two titty. Turn round, girl, look how your booty big. Just a mash up the place so you're too wicked. Me love see girl in a nudity. 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 Me love see girl in a nudity. Nudity. Nudity.
You know what I mean, man? Yeah, man. Jahvillani, as always, you always find these catchy, very These very catchy, easy to remember, easy to catch on to lyrics, and even then in the verse, upon the hook, them very catchy and very easy to remember. While the verse them you put in a lyrics and your style, like yeah man, I love it like always, dog. Keep it up, man, dog. Get the video mad and everything. The girls in the video look good and everything, you know. Hey, yo, keep it up, Jimmy.
You know, represent for the girl them, a town and country. Trust me.
Shane creative again.
Girl them love.
Shane creative again, dog. Yo. Shane creative, big up yourself, me G. Yeah man. Yeah man, people. Yeah man, people. Yeah man, that's Jahvillani, Nudity. Yeah man, real dope track, real banger. Yeah man, the one that's gonna be hot for the summer. Yeah, Zimmy, I don't know the girls gonna like that one. People, let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? People, let me know what you think about that one. Let me drop your favorite part, lyrics, melody. You already know what time it is. If you like, you definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let him know so Jambisco send you. Yeah man, and definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I definitely get it done. Also, people, don't feel afraid to drop your location, drop where your country, your city, your state that you're watching from. Drop it, drop your flags and your emojis. Let me know, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, people, real dope track. I'm glad I was able to share this banger with you guys. Hope y'all enjoy it. Hit the like button, subscribe button, share it, tell a friend. You already know it's your boy Jambisco is here, and I hitting and smashing out banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.